We'll have of course, we'll have news and weather too. And speaking of weather, what's going on today, Robert?
We had an unbelievable day. We couldn't have had a better day, especially across some portions of the area. It felt like spring in some areas. It felt like winter to the east. And to the west, it felt like summer outside.
Almost. Might be a little stretch.
You'll see some of these numbers here in a minute. It was a record-setting day out there. Look at Dickinson. Right now, one of the few places that the National Weather Service reporting did see a record out there. 69 today, shattering the old record of 65 set on this day in 1898. In fact, you can take a live look outside to Dickinson right now, and it is absolutely gorgeous out there. Just a couple of high clouds filtering through the sky right now, nice and tranquil in the Dickinson area where you got a temperature of 65 degrees. Winds are calm out there. Humidity nice and dry out there at 25%. Here's a look at the observed highs today, and you can see to the southwest, look at how warm it was. 68 in Beach, 69 in Henniger, as well as in Bowman. You got to 68 today. Same thing, as I said, that record-setting day in Dickinson at 69. 63 in Watford City, even upper 50s once you get north of Lake Sakakawea, but cooler as you move your way further to the east. You can see just 59 in the capital city, and where they still have that snowpack, upper and mid 40s, so just 43 today in the Medina area. Right now, things cooling off just a little bit. We're down to 51 in Bismarck, 65 in Dickinson, as well as in Hettinger, 64 in Elgin. But again, to the east, where they've got still that stubborn snowpack, 37 is all it is right now in the Harvey area. Winds today nice and light as opposed to yesterday where they were really gusty out of the southeast and south here at between 5 and 6 miles an hour. It looks like the breeziest spot right now is Harvey, Minot, and Linton, each with those winds at 12 miles an hour. Satellite radar picture not too bad. You can see those clouds streaming in ahead of some fronts that will be rolling through here. And as we slide this back across the west, you can see some of this precipitation will be making its way through our area over the next 24 hours or so, but really won't be that big of a nuisance here. As we put precision cast into motion, you'll be able to see a couple of stalled fronts here across our area, and they will continue to slowly slide. What I want you to notice here is northern areas as we go through the overnight areas, some of that pink, meaning the chance for some patchy, spotty, freezing drizzle, maybe a little bit of a wintry mix out there. Don't really think it's going to amount to too much because the ground temperatures are starting to warm up, and then by tomorrow afternoon maybe a couple of snow showers or still a couple of freezing drizzle out there. But I think once you get south of Highway 200, south of Lake Sakakawea, basically everybody else tomorrow should be okay. Still have that flood warning for the Missouri River near the Williston area here for the next couple of days. You can see through about noon on Tuesday or so. Missouri right in minor flood stage, kind of straddling the moderate flood stage before it starts to fall off here as we go through the next couple of days. Don't forget tonight, you're going to want to turn those clocks ahead by an hour. Everybody loses an hour of sleep. However, you can see it take a little bit longer for the sun to come up, but look at that sunset tomorrow night near 8 o'clock. So nice to see daylight longer out here. 31 tonight in the capital city. Nice tranquil night with those mild temperatures. About 15 degrees above where we should be for this time of the year. Same thing in the Minot area. Can't rule out a little bit of patchy, freezing drizzle. And across all areas, won't be surprised to see a little bit of patchy fog developing. Here's a look at lows tonight. Not too bad. Most everybody in the lower 30s to upper 20s. Here's your 3-day forecast for Dickinson. Not too bad. A couple of clouds will be thinning on Sunday, and then a couple of morning flurries Monday, and then a little bit of rain and snow Tuesday. Same thing in Williston, a little bit of a morning mix on Sunday, then some rain and snow Monday, but just a 30% chance. And here's a look at the highs tomorrow. They will be cooler than what we experienced today, but still above average for this time of the year. And here's your extended forecast for the Bismarck area. Average high of 36 for this time of the year. Not too bad over the extended period. Already 53 by the time we get to Wednesday. And Renee, as I show you the extended forecast for the Minot area here, I just want to say that we'll be turning our clocks ahead tonight. We have a full moon this week, and we end the week on Friday the 13th. Wow. So I don't know what's going to happen this week weather-wise, but it'll be nice and tranquil. So this could be all wrong and go to Well, I don't want to say it's going to be all wrong, but you never know. We'll get that pop-up blizzard or something on Friday the 13th.
Goodness gracious. Thanks so much, Robert. Hope not. Thanks for watching KX News at 6. We're going to be back tonight at 10 with a full show for you.